Hello, I'm Delicious Army and welcome to my channel. Today I present to you my fruit custard dessert recipe. Kindly sit back and enjoy the process. The full list of ingredients and the health benefits of these fruits will be listed in the description box. Kindly check that out while watching the video. I divide the milk into two portions. The first portion I boiled it for 10 minutes. For the second portion, I added 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 2 teaspoons of banana flavor, and then I set it aside for a while. I would love to note at this point that if you're satisfied with this consistency, then it's fine. But if you want it lighter, you can add more warm water to this and then stir it gently until you get your desired consistency. Kindly like this video. Please always like my videos. Kindly subscribe. Share this recipe to your friends and family. And leave a beautiful comment in the comment section. Thank you. Kindly cut your fruit to your desired shapes and size. them in a bowl before adding your custard into it. You can see how I did mine, looking so beautiful, looking so nice. I just want to tell you that this recipe is one you should not sleep on. Forever. It was so delicious. Hey, you've not liked this video. Come back and like this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my other videos. Until I come your way again, stay blessed and keep doing good.